What's up everybody, Fritz here, coming at you from SVBimmer in our first installation video where we'll be putting on the M Performance exhaust on the F80 M3. Here at SVBimmer, our goal is to provide you with the best information and parts to help your BMW reach its full potential. And that's exactly why we're doing our first installation video on the M Performance exhaust. Now, this exhaust system is not exclusive to the M3. It will work for any of the F80-ish generation BMWs, including the M4, and as you're about to see, the M3. This exhaust is going to dramatically improve the performance of your BMW and give you a tasteful sound note that any enthusiast can appreciate. But because this part was made by BMW, that means you can expect to keep all those same functional aspects of the car when you first got it. That means those exhaust flaps that allow you to maximize the performance and blow the sound off the roof, you can do that. All that you have to do is put it in Sport or Sport Plus. But if you're coming home at the dead of night and you don't want to wake up the whole neighborhood, fly in that incognito mode, go ahead and put it in that Comfort or Eco Pro mode. Now, this is something that any weekend warrior could definitely do in their garage over a Saturday or Sunday afternoon. But if you're somebody who's a little bit squeamish when it comes to cutting, or if that's not really your forte, feel free to take it to your local mechanic. If you don't have a mechanic, feel free to give us a call, drop us an email. Our contact information, as well as the link to the M Performance exhaust, is going to be down in the description. Now, this two-piece M Performance exhaust system is made out of 100% titanium. Titanium, which is a stronger, more heat-resistant, and lighter material when compared to the OEM exhaust, is actually going to save us about 20 pounds here. And that's not the only thing that we're gonna be saving. We wanna save all that original hardware that we took off of the old exhaust. Because this was made by BMW, it's intended to work with all those same hangers and attachment points. So go ahead, transfer those over onto the M Performance exhaust. And as a pro tip here, you're gonna see us use a paint pen to mark down the bolts when we're all done. This is to make sure that we can check on the exhaust system periodically over time to make sure that those bolts aren't backing out on us. Now you can enjoy all that performance and tasteful sound. Now that is performance that you can appreciate every single time you drive your BMW. And this is exactly what BMW intended when they made the M Performance exhaust. They're letting you keep all of the same functionalities of the adjustable valve system, but you get the increased performance, the increased sound that every BMW owner wants in order to reach the full potential of their BMW. And if you're looking for this M Performance exhaust, it's gonna be down in the description. If you have any questions for us, please leave it down in the comment section below. And if you're wondering why we still have this up here on the lift, it's because we're about to lower with some adjustable springs. That's right, adjustable springs. So make sure to turn on notifications, that way you don't miss out on that video upon its release. And we'll see all of you guys in the next video.